Alright, so in this video I'm gonna show how much of how much of an advantage high ping and high CPS is. So I'm gonna go into the PvP land, fight a hacker bot, sumo, fight this slash ping, 252 ms, just like my high pixel connection, alright? Sumo, let's do this. Sonic bot. I might lose the first fight, but I'll definitely win a few. I'll definitely be able to win a fight just by just pure BS alone. See, I'm already winning the fight. He's already behind. Dude, what? This is actually unfair. Like, actually unfair. I'm appalled. Wow.